Reconciling Differences, Understanding, Reconcile, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English word, reconcile. This word plays a significant role in both everyday conversations and formal contexts. Understanding its usage and nuances can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. The word, reconcile, primarily means to restore friendly relations between people or groups. It's often used when two parties resolve their differences and come to a mutual understanding. For example, after years of disagreement, the two companies finally reconciled. Reconcile also has a broader scope. It can mean making one idea, belief, or situation compatible with another. For instance, he struggled to reconcile his career ambitions with his desire for a family life. Here, the person is trying to find a balance or agreement between two aspects of life. In the world of accounting, reconcile has a specific use. It means to ensure that two sets of records are in agreement. For example, the accountant reconciled the bank statements with the company's financial records. This is crucial for accuracy in financial reporting. Reconcile can also be part of phrasal verbs or idioms. For example, reconcile with means to accept a situation or fact, often one that you previously did not like or agree with. Like, she had to reconcile with the fact that she might never become a professional athlete. Understanding reconcile in these various contexts can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. Whether in personal relationships, philosophical discussions, or professional settings, this word has a powerful role in expressing resolution and harmony. I hope this video helps you confidently use reconcile in your English conversations. Until next time, happy learning!